Okay, let's go over to the left-hand side of our notes. I'm not including a page number here in my videos because, well, I don't know if I can use this video again next year. It might be on a different page or something like that, or in some other scenario. So that's why I'm not including that, but there should certainly be something there. So yeah, let's go ahead and try a couple problems here. I want to try, let's see here. Is that a, oh, I can't even tell what number I wrote down there. Let me look real quick. Let's go with 16. Number 16. Okay, and I'm on page 286. Let me get that down there as well. So number 16 says describe how to transform the graph of f into the graph of g. So it's asking you to go back and remember those transformations. So 16 starts with f of x equals 3 to the x, and g of x is 3 to the x plus 4. And it's asking you to remember what this transformation means. So it's asking you to say, when you add 4 at the x, what does that mean? Let me give you a minute to think about that. And pause. Okay, great. Hopefully we're unpaused. Still getting the hang of this. But yeah, when you add 4 at the x, that moves it left 4. So that's the transformation. Left 4. That's all you could really read. The problem was describe transformation. I tried. Let's look at one more in that section, number 19. The instructions are still describe the transformation. So number 19, 0.5 to the x power. Okay, this is exponential decay because it's a number between 0 and 1. So I thought I'd note that while I'm sitting here. And g of x equals 3 times 0.5 to the x power plus 4. So a couple of transformations there. I'll go ahead and pause this and give you a minute to think about it. Alrighty, let's see here. So we're multiplying by 3 out front. That's a vertical stretch of 3. And we're adding 4 at the end, so that is up 4. Okay, so all those transformations you've got to pull out of your cranium. It's back there somewhere. Find that data. Let's do one more together here. We're going to try number 25. Number 25, match the given function with its graph. Explain how to make that choice without using a calculator. So we're not going to use a calculator here to match this. 25, y equals 3 to the x power. Match with graph. And let me go ahead and give you a minute to try and do that. And don't use your calculators. Okay, we're back. Y equals 3 to the x. Let's look at what this function looks like. So let's just do a little chart here. Okay, 3 to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is 1. 3 to the first power is 3. 3 to the second power is 9. So my graph is going to look like, that's 3. No, 0 power, 1, sorry. Oh, I didn't put the point there yet. I'll need that 3 in a second. So at 0, it's 1. At 1, it's 3. At 2, it's 9. So it's going to look like this. Now, as this number gets very small, 3, go ahead and try a number like 3 to the negative 5th power. You just get a very small number, but it's still positive, so this is going to stay positive. Okay, this is a good outlook. It always stays positive. So which one of those functions looks like that? It'll have to be A. No other graph is always positive and has that shape where it goes very small in this direction and gets larger. So that's going to be A. Okay, go ahead and do your 3 questions and your vocab and your summary. Your homework assignment for this first part is going to be 3 through 30, 3n. And 3n means multiples of 3. So do 3, 6, 9, 12, so on and so forth. Multiples of 3, 3 through 30. Half even and half odd, so you can get a little bit of help there from the back of the book, but you still have to do something on your own, which is good.